What's going on, 3D print community? Michael here at 3D Print Everything, and today I've got an exciting video. I became a inventor today, and maybe I've been an inventor before. I've created other parts, but you know, as you know, or if you don't know, my business is mainly service-based. So people come to me with their inventions or with their broken parts, and they need stuff recreated. Just a heads up, this is not what I invented. This is a part of a customer slash friend's build that I will keep semi-secret for the moment. So you can see the part, but you're not going to know what it's for until maybe later. I'll probably do a video on this later, but not today. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for what this is, because this will be really unique. This will be a first in the industry used. A part like this used in the way it's going to be used, and the invention that I came up with will be used with this part, and I'm not going to really give out too much of the information on what I invented, but it'll be used to help finish this part, and that's all I'll do. But my video is based around what I'm trying to convey to you is some inspiration. So and through this, my business, you know, being 90% service, I don't have anything on Etsy. I don't have anything for sale. And I've seen a lot of people do really good by just having stuff online. And for me to have survived in this space 4 years without me ever selling anything online, it honestly even surprises me a little bit. And I think it's long past time and due that I start doing it, that I start selling, you know, items. So my mind has been set in that mode the past few weeks, and I've come up with some other ideas. One of them is we will have a filament shelf that'll be modular, clean, and easy to ship and assemble, put together, and I'm going to do it in 3 different sizes. Right now we're just finalizing on what is the most economical material to build it out of. So we were looking at ABS, we were looking at acrylic, we're looking at wood. There might be something else in between there. If you can think of anything that can come in a sheet form that could be easily laser cut or CNC cut that's cheaper than acrylic or wood, let me know. Comment down below, please. Yeah, you know, if you can give me a material that it's made of, and you're the first person to comment that material, and it's good, and especially if you can help me find a resource, like a place to buy it. So if there's an online store for it, or if you know of anywhere in DFW that I could go pick up a sheet of X material and it be, I mean, I pretty much need a 4x8 sheet of material cheaper than like $100. Like I think I was quoted out like ABS or acrylic or something at like 120, 130. So if we can find that much cheaper, and I could cut out some pieces, that would make this a lot easier and better. So that's one invention. But the other thing that I'm working on, I'm really proud of and really cool. But it literally just spawned from the idea of, okay, we need to finish this product here, and the way we were doing it just was not looking feasible. And we did find a tool that would work for what we wanted on how to finish this, but that tool would end up costing like well north of $3,000 to $10,000. And it's like, what? Now these were professional, industry specific kind of tools. These were tools where people would be finishing parts like this, you know, 50 of them a day or something like that. So you needed an industrial solution, but there wasn't a consumer solution for, hey, we need to finish 2 to 5 of these parts, and you know, can I do that for less than $500? Can I do that for less than $50? You know, or $100? And I came up with a solution that was already out there in a smaller application, but not in a medium-sized application like this. And you know, I looked at a product. There's still a little bit of R&D and testing to go into it, so that's part of the reason why I'm not revealing too much. But I definitely will. I will reveal everything that I invented, how I invented it, what I did to make it. I literally built it all in Tinkercad. So, you know, y'all will get to see all of that. I'm going to share everything. But this is the inspiration for the part that I invented, and it has nothing to do with this shape, but it is kind of long, the part that I invented. so I'm not saying any more on it. But I just want to impart to you that it's a matter of a mindset change. If you can change your mindset on into the engineering side of what can I print for money, what can I replicate, is there a problem that I can solve that no one else already has. Generally those are where you hit is I found an issue with trying to finish this thing. We found a solution that someone had solved at the $10,000 price range, but I found a part that I could buy from Amazon, 2 of them, and then I can use my 3D prints and modeling to combine those 2 parts, that I can then print a new part using the 2 parts that I'm buying 2 things from Amazon, 3D printing parts to combine those, and then adding 1 more part to the end of it, which will help me finish this, and then boom, for like, what I would retail for $50 to $100 and make good money at, we're going to create a solution that other people might be able to use in about 3 to 4 different industries. So, or like fields of work where people finish things like this on a daily and still don't need a $10,000 tool, but a $100 to $500 tool might work great. So what seems really novel and useful about this solution is that it'll be something where there's like 3 or 4 3D printed parts and a main assembly, and then there'll be 1 disposable part at the very end of it, and you'll need just a lot of those disposable parts. So this will be a product that hopefully people will be coming back for a lot of. They might buy 1 kit, it might come with 3 of the disposable parts, and then you realize you love it and you like it and you don't need another kit, but you need 10 of those disposable parts or 50 of those disposable parts, and that's where we might be able to start actually making some good money. So I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to share more with you on it. I really want to. I wish I could just spill. I could. I want to spill all the beans right now, but I would just feel so devastated if one person out there is a bad actor and saw what I did and then just beats me to it. I mean, there's absolutely no reason that a big company couldn't do what I just did this morning in the same amount of time or quicker and have it, to market and released faster. So I've got to design it, make it work, make sure we like it. I'll sell a couple of them. I'll probably get it patented, and I'm going to do a really nice video on releasing all this. But my point of this video is you too can be an inventor. All it takes is just the mindset of what problem can I solve with some simple 3D prints. If you're a 3D printer, you've got some 3D printers, or you just enjoy watching this space and you've got inventions and you want me to develop it for you, you can do it. And just definitely keep your mind on the simple things, and I think you'll be able to hit it out of the park with a simple invention. So I'm really excited about this simple invention. It's not anything crazy, it's literally all mechanical. It's literally 1 novel part that is not even that novel. It's a part that I took from this size and I made it like 1 foot long, and then I added some stuff to it, and boom, new invention. Like I literally am using somebody else's design, just blown up, changed so that it can be applied in a new application. And it's an easily, it's just, y'all are gonna figure it out if I say too much. Anyways, guys, you can be an inventor too. I'm excited. I hope you're excited for me. If you are, like, share, and subscribe. Share this to other people. But this is gonna be cool. I'll give you, what? I'll do you one better. And for staying the whole length of the video, here's the invention. So this is what's printing right now. This is the invention. I'm not telling you what it does. You're not going to see the entire shape. There are some supports there, so it's going to be difficult to see exactly what it is, but yeah, I share a little bit. I share a little bit with y'all. Have a good day, guys. I hope you can invent something too, and I hope that it makes other people's experience a lot better. I mean, that's what this invention is about. This invention is about making life, work, a project, a specific task easier and quicker and better. So that's what this is going to do, and it shouldn't cost too much money at all. And that's what you want, guys. Low cost, prints in hours, makes people's life better. Boom, you'll have a winner. I think I've got a winner here. Let's see.